Meteorologist Ryan Belz here with your Center County weather report for today, Wednesday, January 22nd. Our weather headlines, what we're tracking for you for today: a wind chill advisory is in effect for the Center County region, and all throughout Pennsylvania we're looking at wind chill advisories and a few wind chill warnings even. The wind chill advisory for the Center County region goes through noon today because we're looking at wind chills throughout the early portion of today, 15 to 20 degrees below zero. It is going to be frigidly cold out there. Make sure you bundle up if you're headed out there. Frostbite can set in within 15 to 30 minutes in these kind of temperatures because it's just going to be bitterly cold out there. We're looking at a slight warm-up going into your weekend, but unfortunately it's not going to last very long. We'll take a look at that in your futurecast coming up. Temperatures across the region this morning as you're headed out the door to work or school, we're looking at negative single digits. Boalsburg, -2. Stormstown, -4. -4 in Clearfield, and even -5 in DuBois. Off to our east, we're looking at just slightly warmer. Mifflintown, 1 degree, and Williamsport, +1 at this hour. A wider view of your temperatures, looking at same thing across the Commonwealth and even all across the region, these frigidly cold temperatures. 0 degrees in State College, -8 in Bradford, and even -5 in Pittsburgh. Slightly warmer towards the coast, 4 degrees in Philadelphia and 0 in Allentown. They're the locations that got some significant snowfall from the system yesterday. I'll talk about that coming up with our satellite and radar. Our wind chills, though, with the wind, these temperatures are making it feel like it's even more cold out there. Harrisburg, -14 degrees is what it feels like as you're headed out the door this morning in the capital. Bradford, -21. And look at this. Johnstown, -27 degrees is what it feels like with the temperature and the wind combined. It is just bitterly cold out there. Your satellite and radar, we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies across the Commonwealth this morning. It's going to be a pretty cloudy day. As we take a wider view of the eastern seaboard, we can see the clouds streaming in from the west, and that's going to be our weather throughout the next few days. We're just going to see some cloudy conditions. Precipitation's not going to be in the forecast for at least the next few days. Take a look off to the east coast, though. You see this system off the coast of Long Island and Cape Cod? This is the storm that brought us that light coating of snow throughout the afternoon hours yesterday. And even from Philadelphia to New York and even to Boston, they saw some significant snow from the system. New York got right around 13 inches of snow from the system as it moved through yesterday. Your futurecast mapping out your day and into tonight, we're looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the Center County region today. The wind, though, is going to be the story because these temperatures are going to be frigidly cold out there. The winds will die down going into tonight, and we're going to see a mostly cloudy evening tonight. As you can see, the clouds well off to our west, and they're just going to be moving through our region throughout the evening hours and into tomorrow. A few scattered snow showers are coming up on our futurecast. Nothing in the way of accumulations. Might see a few flakes in the air. The big things are just going to be the cold temperatures that are going to be in store for the next few days. We're looking at lows tonight across the Commonwealth, right around upper single digits to low teens, and going into tomorrow, we're going to start to see the slight warm-up going into the weekend. It's going to be a very slow, progressive warm-up. 12 degrees by 7:30 in the morning tomorrow is what we're calling for in State College. And look at this. You can see the blues start to come up into the map. 22 in Allentown, 17 in Scranton by tomorrow at 3:30. That warm air is not going to get to us to 20 degrees. Probably by Saturday is when we'll see that slight warm-up. Your forecast for today, though, 9 degrees is what we're calling for. Cloudy and cold, wind chills near -20 degrees out there. The wind will die down tonight. We'll see lows right around -1. It's still going to be frigidly cold outside. Your week ahead, mapping it out for you. Look for a slight warm-up going into the weekend. By Saturday, we could see 25 degrees. Clouds will die off on Friday, and we'll just see a few lingering clouds in the sky. They'll return for the weekend, and we'll see temperatures falling going into the beginning portions of next week. Thank you for clicking on your Center County Weather Report. I'm student meteorologist Ryan Belz here with your forecast.